So what is TiPPs? TiPPs 2.0 is an analog relational modeling whiteboard. TiPPs stands for Today's Idea, Project, Product, or Service. Its most common use is as a real-time interactive collaboration tool that serves its members, which is everyone from the C-suite to the SME. When used effectively for lean UIX or business process mapping, virtual global enterprise teams engage in unique visual systems design exercises. TiPPs is Connected Design's contribution to business teams that want true transformation. Stay tuned for future digitalization and product enhancements. If you want to help accelerate TiPPs' digital journey, then email us at info@connecteddesign.us.